Namaskar. In today's episode, we will explore the Mattakrida Angahar. Just like the first Angahar, Sthirahasta, I truly enjoyed exploring Mattakrida Angahar. It has a beautiful lineup of Karanas. The movements just flow from one Karana to the other beautifully, just like a pravaha of a sarita. Each movement flowing into other effortlessly, like the Nupura Karana to Bhujanga Trasita and Bhujanga Trasita to Vaishakha Rechita. Just like a perfectly choreographed Korvai from today's Bharatnatyam Margam. Mattakrida, the 10th Angahar from the Natya Shastra. Moving the hips gracefully. Nupura. Taking the leg behind, do Nupurachari and move the hips gracefully. Hands are Rechita and Latahasta. Bhujanga Trasita. Lift the leg in Kunchita position. Move the thigh in a circular way. Twist the waist and the knee. Vaishakha Rechita. Stand in Vaishakha Sthana and move the hands, legs and waist and neck. Akshipta. Moving the legs and hands away from the body in fast speed. Parichinna. Keep Alapadma hands on the waist and move the waist side to side. Bahya Brahmaraka. Begin with legs in crossed position. Move one leg away. Both hands are Udveshtita. Do Brahmari Chari and then move the hips gracefully. Uromandala. Cross the legs and move one leg away while doing the Uromandala Hasta. Nitamba. Lift hands and arms up. Palms of the hands face each other while doing Baddhachari. Karihasta. One hand is on the chest while the other Udveshtita. Foot position is in Anchita. Katichinna. Moving the waist side to side and doing Pallava Hasta over the shoulder again and again.
Tagat janudi, ajanudi, janudi kantati. Tagat janudi, ajanudi, janudi kantati. Tagat janudi, 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 janudi, kantati.
When we read the description of the Mattakrida Angahar from Abhinav Bharati, as mentioned in the earlier episodes, we found that the description of the same Karana is very different in Abhinav Bharati. To state with an example, Uromandala Karana, where Natya Shastra mentions to begin in Swastika and then moving the leg away with Uromandala Hasta, Abhinav Bharati has mentioned the use of Stitavartachari and Baddhachari. The other Karana, Nitamba, Natya Shastra has mentioned to move the hands upwards facing each other and to do Baddhachari. Whereas Abhinav Bharati has stated the use of Avartita and Parivartita Karana while taking the hands upwards and downwards. Mattakrida Angahar, according to Abhinav Gupta, begin with Trikavalana, that is hip movement. Nupura Karana, do Nupura Padika Chari and then do Brahmari Chari. Move the hips and hand is in Lata Hasta. Bhujanga Trasita. Hands move with Vyavartita and Parivartita. End with one hand in Dola Hasta and the other Katakamukha. Vaishakha Rechita Karana. Sit in Vaishakha Sthana. Move the hands rapidly in Hansa Paksha. Suitably, also move neck, waist and the leg. Akshipta Karana. Do Akshipta Chari. Hands are Chaturashra and move them away. Parichinna Karana. Lift the foot, touch the heel down, resulting in Katicheda. Sit in Vaishakha Sthana and do Alapallava alternately. Bhaya Brahmaraka. Begin with Swastika and move the leg away. Do Udveshtita with hands. End in Swastika. Repeat with the other leg. Uromandala. Do Sthitavartachari and end in Baddhachari. Nitamba. Move the hands with Pataka Hasta upwards towards the head with Vyavartita Karana. Bring them down with Parivartita Karana. End with Pataka Hasta facing towards the body. Karihasta Karana. One hand Tripataka over the ear. Lift the leg and place in Anchita. The other hand is Udveshtita. Katichinna. Lift the hands and legs. Move the hips. Do Brahmari Chari. End in Mandala Sthana with one hand Pallava and the other combination of Pataka and Alapallava.
Tagat janudi, janudi, janude kagati. Tagat janudi, janudi, janude kagati. Tagat janudi, 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 Tagata Janudi, Tagata Janudi, 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 Tagati, Tagata Janudi, Tagata Janudi, 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 Tagati. Tagat janudi, tagat janudi, 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 tagati, tagat जनु